Hi guys, it's Nina from VRfocus. I am joined by
Tony Pearce from Reality Clash. So Reality Clash, the best way to describe it is Pokemon Go meets Call of Duty. So it's an augmented reality game where you download it from the App Store for free, and then you join teams. It could be me and you, where literally we can go out and have combat together, or you can join a team of up to 200, 300 people, or you can go out and fight bots that we have around the mapping system. So yeah, it's hugely exciting. And we when I last spoke to you, we just closed an ICO, which basically meant that investors bought our cryptocurrency, which is Reality Clash gold coins, up front. That allowed us to fund and develop the game. We have 3 very exciting releases imminently. The first is a website where those lucky investors that bought my coin can come onto the site and buy exclusive limited edition weapons, which they can then, in a few months' time, trade on the blockchain and trade them also through our platform. So you can become a virtual arms dealer. You can actually make money, and you can sell these guns to anyone that wants to buy them, and then take the coins that you've got onto an exchange and sell them for dollars or euros. So that's very exciting. So our shop opens in a couple of weeks' time, sort of mid-March. At the same time, we have 2 apps that come along, they're like companion apps, I suppose, with the website, which allows you to try before you buy. So you actually can see what the gun that you're purchasing looks like in full AR mode. You can turn it around, use the phone, you can shoot it, you can see exactly what it sounds like. And if you like the look of it, you simply hit the button, it goes to our website and you can buy it. So that comes out on Android and iPhone in the next couple of days, literally. And then further down the line, trading platform, and then the game comes out in September.
You guys have been extremely successful with it. You guys have also done a video diary on VRfocus,
Yep.
basically talking about what you guys are doing with Reality Clash.
We're launching the first set of guns, which is 24, and we're aiming to release 4 new guns a week up until the release of the game. So it's going to be roughly about 50, 60 guns by the time the game comes out. Each of those guns has initially 2 different skins. So you can flick between the skins. The first set of skins are really cool crypto skins. So we have a Bitcoin skin, we have a Ether skin, we have a Litecoin skin, a Dash skin, and these, they look awesome. I mean, the Bitcoin machine gun is just it's just classic. But there's only going to be a limited amount. There will literally be maybe 500. We haven't actually decided the exact amount yet. But once that's sold out, they will never be released again. And when you purchase them, you get a certificate that is emailed to you with the serial number and the tokenization number, which is logged on the blockchain. So you physically own that gun. And then when the trading platform comes out, you can then trade it and sell it. And that's the game changer. Right? At the moment, trading content in games such as World of Warcraft, which is when you trade skins, is hugely popular. But you're trading within that game. You can't take the money out. With the blockchain technology and what we've done, it actually allows you to exit the game and sell it through blockchain exchanges. So you physically make money. You become a virtual arms dealer. So it really is a game changer, and that's why blockchain gaming, I think, is just going to take off hugely.
With regards to the hype, have people been extremely excited about things? Have they asked for specific skins for guns as well?
Yeah, so I mean, the following we have is incredible. We have a huge community. I think everyone's really excited because it's a groundbreaking game. It's the first of its kind. In terms of skins, we get thousands of emails asking for these type of skins, and we will make them. And in fact, when the game comes out, we will give people the opportunity to create their own guns. And if we approve them and they go into our store, then they will get a revenue share. So it becomes a marketplace, really. So it's fantastic.
And a lot of companies, I guess, are looking at how successful it will be once everything is being launched and everything's being released. Do you feel that pressure? Yeah.
But we have probably the best developers I've ever come across. I mean, we have developers that are in our Brighton studio, and they are Oculus, Hive. They've even done PlayStation VR. These guys have developed brilliant VR and now AR games in the past. So the dev team we have is awesome. We have another studio in the Philippines, which is just developing the guns. So they're creating the 3D guns, and they ship them over to the guys in our UK dev studio, and that goes into the actual game. And then we have in Copenhagen the guys building the trading platform.
Wow, so there's lots of different elements to it.
Yeah.
Is there a website that we can go to find out more?
You can, yeah. So realityclash.com is the site. The new store, hopefully by the time you see this, will be out. So middle of March-ish. And yeah, get buying. Get buying before they sell out. I'm telling you.
And head over to vrfocus.com if you want to find out more about virtual or augmented reality, and I will see you there.